just now that equation, let's say I put negative 5, okay, negative 4. I want to show up to, okay, from negative 5 to positive 5, and then you want to plot the exponent x and sin x. So to key in any function, any formula in Excel, go to that cell, okay, type equal, and then you want exponent x, so ext. So you see when you type, okay, for functions, okay, when you see, they give you the guideline, exponent, and then inside is a number, close the bracket. You want the exponent, this x, close the bracket, enter. So you find is actually exponent 5. You want to find exponent negative 4, no need to key in the formula again. It will automatically refer to the same, relatively to the, okay, if here you refer to B3, when you copy it down, you refer to B4. So you just drag down. Okay, and then you want sin x equal sin. Okay, click location of x. You cannot type x. Okay, and then this is without round anything. Okay, and you can just select these 3 column, go to insert. Change the type. But it's not unless you zoom cut it, because this part is not clear. You cannot see where the intersection, because okay, the value here, this part, this is okay, so big, so you may zoom it. Let's say I just want to zoom it. Just zoom from negative 2 or negative 3. And then my just the positive part, reduce it. Then you can see clearer. Because just now, if you take a positive 5, the y value too big, so you cannot see clearer this part. So now you can see exactly the root from negative 4 to negative 3. Or you put negative 4 to negative 2, then the interval is 2 unit. They want the magnitude of the interval is 1 unit. Because just now, if you not zoom in, you cannot see clearly, because if this part, the right hand side part so big, this part you cannot see clearer. So this is using Excel to plot the graph. Okay, after that, if you want it to refer closely, this one you can put exponent x. See this one, you put sin x. Okay, and then you can from the value that you tabulate. You want to check later on. This one is your function fx is exponent x minus sin x. So we see negative 4 to negative 3. So you put here negative 4. This is negative 3. Then you key in that non-linear equation, which is exponent. Then this is the x minus sin, sin. Click the location of the x. Okay, enter. So you have one is negative. Okay. Then you see you have here one is negative, one is positive. Then you can write the conclusions here. Okay, sin f. But make sure you put out this is your fx. Then you can write the conclusion on Excel also. Sin fx, sin f negative 4 times f negative 3 negative you got negative less than 0. Thus when you type in Excel, thus there is at least one root in the interval negative 4 to negative 3. I cannot see. Now, so done your question 1A. You calculate the table and the graph. Okay, and this one, intermediate value theorem. Okay, there's at least one root in the interval. Typo, interval negative 4 to negative 3 by using intermediate value theorem. So done. So you no need to write anything and no need to convert to PDF. You just need to upload this Excel file. So is it clear? For those who want to perform using Excel, you can do all the calculation, graph, okay, write down the conclusion, okay, on the same sheets, and then let's say now question 1B. Question 1B, you may open here, this one. Just click new sheet. Let's see here. Let's say this one using bisection. Yeah, this one using Newton. Then the conclusion at the bottom. So you just need one Excel file here.
Doctor.
Yes.
My roommate want to enter Google Meet because the utilization Wi-Fi very slow. Then she cannot enter just now when she requests, and she requests again cannot.
But
Doctor haven't accept.
nobody. I didn't see here. Nobody want to enter. Nobody. Okay. There's nobody request to enter here.